In this video right here, I'm going to check into the hotel and show you the process. So next time you travel, you will know how to get around. And this is called Comprehensible Input method. It has been proven to be 4 times more effective than a no-fun classic way of learning English. All right, now let's get started by getting through this sliding door.
Hello and welcome to our hotel.
Good morning. I like your outfit.
Oh, thank you. Yours is amazing as well. Do you have a reservation with us?
Yes, I absolutely do.
Great. What is your name?
My name is Sergii Kromchenko.
Awesome. How do you spell it?
It is spelled as Sergii.
One moment, please. Yes, I see your reservation. Did you book it online?
Yep, I did book it online through booking.com.
You booked 1 room for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, you got it right.
May I see your passport?
Sure, which passport would you like to get, as I have dual citizenship?
Oh, great. Whichever you prefer to use. I just need your information.
Oh, okay. In this case, I'm going to give you American one.
Oh, thank you. And how would you like to pay? With credit card or cash?
I'll pay with love and care. I'm just kidding. Here's my credit card.
Perfect. Please tap your credit card here. Excellent. The payment is approved.
That's awesome.
Your room number is 401.
Did you mean 401?
You got it right. Here's your key card. The breakfast is from 7 a.m. until 10 a.m. on the 2nd floor.
Great. Thanks a lot.
The Wi-Fi password is printed on your card holder. Checkout is at 11 a.m. and the elevator is around the corner on your left. Would you need any help with your luggage?
Nah, I'm good. I have only 1 carry-on and a backpack.
Oh, awesome. Is it your first time in city?
Yes, I'm visiting Rio and Brazil for the first time in my life.
That's amazing. Make sure to visit Morro da Urca. It's one of the most beautiful places with one of the best views around the city.
Oh, that's great. I have actually just visited it, and I have a video about it on a YouTube channel. If you want to check it out, it's right here.
Oh, that's crazy. So you are a YouTuber? Wow, I'll check it out.
Perfect. You have an amazing rest of your day. Now, let me walk you through the hotel. So, first of all, we have a large, or I would say huge glass windows here. And in front of me, I see a round table. It also could be called a coffee table because usually people would place coffee on the top of it. Next to it, I see a black chair. That's where I usually sit. Right above it, I see a long cable. Actually, it's a lamp. I see a lamp on a long cable. Next to it, you can see a green plant. And this is a plant, and this is a pot. And this pot is made out of plastic. Now, we can see light brown or light gray floor. And you might ask, why is it light? Well, because it's not dark. On the right side here, we can see a bench right there, or a swing, as it's hanging on the ropes. Right above it, we can see a lot of lights. They're hanging on ropes, so they could be called a rope lights or hanging rope lights. And while I continue walking here, I can see something very challenging to say or to pronounce. This is called a fire extinguisher. And now, what I want you guys to do, I want you to try to say it. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Let me know if it was challenging to say it. And right above these fire extinguishers, I can see 2 warning signs that, hey, there are fire extinguishers here. Right above me, I see a ceiling. So everything above me is a ceiling. This is a ceiling, and that is a ceiling as well, with the small lights right here. And while we're walking, I can see a machine. It has pink and blue colors, and this is, oh, it's a beer machine. So you can pay here and you can get a beer. Looks like you have to pay first in order to get it. Right here, you can see a big open space. once again, with the huge windows and some couches and tables right there. And here we can see huge column with the trees next to it. I think these are called bamboo trees. And right below it, there is a round bench with a wall plug to get some juice. This is a wall plug. That's where you can plug in your device to get a juice or to get energy. Right next to it, we can see two very long countertops right here, and with a lot of cabinets right below them. It looks like a kitchen to me, to be honest. On the top of the left one, you can see my selfie stick, my laptop, backpack, and a jacket that I was using for recording. On the right side, you can see sink. So this is a sink. And on the top of it, you can see a faucet. This one is called a faucet. And right next to it, we can see some machine. Let's see. Oh, looks like it's a water dispenser. Let's grab this plastic cup and get some water, because I'm getting thirsty. There are two trash cans. One of them is black, one of them is green. I like green better, so let's throw it here. And it actually says recycle in some language. And you guys let me know what that language is. And that's me. You guys can see me right there. And also, I can see some plants and some large trees. I can see a fence through the window. So this is the window, and through the window, you can see those objects, and you can see myself. In this good-looking open space, you can see a lot of couches, and some of them are green, some of them are blue, some of them are light blue, and a round white table. And people usually chill here. So I shall chill here as well. There is wash, dry, and fold. It's called a laundry room. And also, we can see some wooden structure. It looks like a pavilion or something. It has a chair, it has a table, and it has soft chairs as well. I like them a lot. Ooh, they're chill. Also, we can see a gym. And you know what? I enjoy working out, so I'm going to let them scan my face and get inside the gym through this door right here. And this is punching bag. I'm going to kick it with my foot. And you know what I like the most in the gym? I like doing pull-ups, so let me do a few. Let's see if this guy in a suit can do 10 pull-ups. 1, 2. Oh wow, that was good. I wonder, how many pull-ups can you do? I think I'm still in a good shape. That was good. I like pull-ups. Also, these are called treadmills. These running machines are called treadmills, and they are plugged in, so there is electricity. And while I'm running on this treadmill right here, I wanted to remind you all to smash this big, fat thumb up button below. Subscribe to our channel, and also if you want to improve your English, I have created a community specifically for you, and you can follow the link right below this video. All right, let's continue. Now I'm going to press this exit button and get outside of the gym. Now we're going to go outside. I'm going to press this exit button. This is a relaxed place. Oh, they have a small pool here. Excellent. And I'm walking close to the edge right here. And you can see my pretty dirty shoes that I enjoy a lot, that I like a lot. They're very comfortable, but I have to wash them. Anyways, this is called a bridge, and the bridge goes over the water. And it has a metal rail right here that you can grab with your hand. And now I'm passing the bridge and going over the water. Here we can see a bench on the middle of the garden. A lot of plants right there and some small trees. The bench that we have right here is a place where people sit and relax and watch this garden, watch this building, and some water right there. There are a couple of more good-looking things that I like a lot. These are called rope swings. They have a pretty long ropes, and all of them have different colors. This one is dark blue or navy blue. That's what we call it in the US. This one is pink. That one is yellowish or more green, I would say. That one is brown. And you guys know what's gonna happen here, right? These are soft chairs where people relax and lay down. And now I'm going to say something that no one ever will. Listening is an amazing way to start understanding English, but you will never speak if you will not start speaking. And I'm inviting you to join me and speak with me completely for free. The link is right here. All right, I'll see you on the next video.